over, Max? Or are you gonna have your boys pound on me next?
Mr. District Attorney.
Take off his mask.
Keep your left arm straight. Okay? You can do this. 1, 2, 3.
How's your arm feeling?
What are you doing?
John Burke and Tim Kaufman, they were also shot dead with arrows. And they're too dead to tell me why.
Can't.
Burke and Kaufman, what do the two of them have to do with you?
We're all working on a deal, but nobody was supposed to know about it.
I hear you like to hit women. How about one who likes to hit back? I thought you were going back to your father. I thought I owed you a goodbye.
It's not bad.
I don't know what he's got planned, but whatever it is, I'm in. Who the hell are you?
I'm the justice you can't run from. Run.
I heard rumors about a mask that protect girls around here. I guess you ain't her. This is Bricktown now.
Let's go.
Lucky for you, I don't like hitting women.
Got a chopper outside. Take a look.
Roger that. Checking it now.
breathing now.
Alderman! Don't worry. We're gonna get you out of here.
Guns down! Oliver?
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Your job, apparently. Where's Idol?
Wonderful seeing you again. Ooh, I fancy the new outfit. Feeling my vertigo, dear? Wonderful.
Selfish bitch. You're not a hero. You're a liar. A fraud. And an addict.
Sir, please, please. Your sister.
And why are you trying to take my place?
I'm surprised. Usually women don't return for a second go.
Hi, sis.
You're not. You're not real.
Oh, I'm quite real.
You lied to me, Laurel! Straight to my face, my own daughter! Sarah was my daughter. I deserved to know how to write, to grieve, to mourn! And who do you think you are to take that away from me, huh? Who do you think you are?
I'm sorry.
I know you are.
She says she's sorry, but she would do it again.
You keep my own daughter a secret. You think I'm too weak for the truth?
You think you can wear my mask? You think you can see me?
No. And I'm done trying.
They wouldn't be this sloppy. That's
That's right. I forgot. Oliver mentioned you were having some identity issues, though he didn't mention about your delusions of grandeur.
You killed my sister, you stupid son of a bitch! No!
Get away from her!
Didn't you hear? Master wanted to start no more.
Tell that to the woman you mugged.
Do it. If I would die, I would have it on the same ground as Sarah.
Because it was mine. Lance, you were warned.
New frequency, same cry.
There's nothing left inside of you, Sarah! Dark sky in the gas chamber.
Is that the best you've got? It's 4 of you and a lot more of us.
Guess you decided you didn't need anyone's protection.
Oh, that's pretty. You take voice lessons?
I remember when you told Mom and Dad that you wanted to go to sleepaway camp.
Without us, you got...
We have to get out of here. Run!
That was awesome.
Curtis, have you deactivated the beat?
Clear.
At least there's no signs of abuse.
Impressive. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. I want you to give your father a message from me. I want you to tell him I'm a man of my word.
All right. It's okay. Hey, look at me. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. Come on.